Today is Friday, June 8th. The time is 1:17 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011-2012 Panini Certified Hockey break number 27. Good luck, everybody. First card, Winnipeg Jets, Andre Pavelec. Islanders, John Tavares. Red Wings, Henrik Zetterberg. Los Angeles Kings, Immortals, Luc Robitaille, serial number 289 out of 500. Predators, Sergei Kostinin. Tim Thomas, Bruins. Wild, Mikko Koivu. Senators, Jason Spezza. Sharks, Logan Couture. Fabric of the Game, Jersey, Sidney Crosby. Penguins, serial numbered 17 out of 25. Nice hit for the Penguins. Hendrik Steen, Blues. Patrick Kane, Blackhawks. Annette Niemi, Sharks. Devils, Ilya Kovalchuk. Panthers, David Booth. Hurricanes, Jeff Skinner. Jets, Eric Fair. Oilers, Jordan Eberle. Stars, Louis Eriksson. Blackhawks, Marian Hossa. Fabric of the Game, Edmonton Oilers, Magnus Paajarvi. Predators, Pekka Rinne. Kings, Jonathan Quick. Blues, Barrett Jackman. Sabres, Tyler Ennis. Sabres again, Mirror, Thomas Vanek, serial number 15 out of 199. Canucks, Ryan Kessler. Sidney Crosby, Penguins. Capitals, Nicholas Backstrom. Red Wings, Johan Franzen. Canadiens, Carey Price. Predators, Pekka Rinne. Blues, Andy McDonald. Devils, Travis Zajac. Blues, Jaroslav Halak. Rangers, Masked Marvels, Henrik Ludacris. Flyers, Claude Drex. Rangers, Ryan Callahan. Lightning, Vincent Lecavalier. Canucks, Henrik Sedin. Freshman signatures, Winnipeg Jets, Paul Postma. Sharks, Patrick Marleau. Thomas Vanek, Sabres. Mike Richards, Kings. Rangers, Marian Gabornik. Rangers Immortals, Mark Messier, serial number 21 out of 99, mirror. Claude Drex, Flyers. And the last pack, Marc-Andre Fleury, Penguins. Eric Carson, Senators. Ryan Clow, Sharks. PK Subban, Canadiens. Fabric of the Game, Prime Patch, Montreal Canadiens. Max Pagaretti, serial number 14 out of 25. And the last card, Sharks, Patrick Marleau. Thank you everybody for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. I will be listing some hockey breaks next week, including another certified hockey break. If anyone's interested in football, ending today for 2011 football, I have Panini Playbook and Panini Prime Signatures. Also listed for football, 2011 Panini Certified, 2010 Crown Royale, and I will be listing a new box of 2012 Bowman Signatures tonight.